Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investor. We are looking at Texas Pacific Land, TPL. It did have a nice dip today on the Nvidia news. We're going to be looking at where the support, the resistance, and what my thoughts are on it. A quick update on the technicals. So let's get straight into it. But before I say anything about the stock price, anything I say during this video is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do not take anything I say as advice. Do not buy or sell based on anything I say during this video. And anything I do say is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Looking at the price of TPL, we saw it top out at $1,772. We had that initial move to the downside. It did hold support at the moving averages. It headed back above this big level of support we've been looking at. This range of support between 1,200 and 1,300, but it didn't hold it for longer than a week. So we have fallen back into the level of support. The good news is for today, so far it's holding the bull market support band, which is the 21-week moving average. So this is a very quick update. I'm going to tell you exactly what I think. This was because someone requested we had a look at this. The same applies. I'm going to move this over. This is from our last review we did. Right now, it is at support. This is where traders will be taking a position. This is where a lot of long-term investors might be seeking value. We're going to have a link to the long-term value proposition of TPL, the fundamental side, at the end of this video. But right now it has bounced at exactly those moving averages, the 21-week moving average. It is still in the bullish trend. It is still also on the horizontal trend line holding this level. The one thing to keep an eye out for in case this sell-off continues is something like this occurring, where you do end up breaking the moving averages and the horizontal support, and as drawn out here, you go down, you test it as resistance, it's no longer support, and then you actually head down. So right now, a trader or a long-term investor might have their first position, but they're always wary. If this level does break, there is a potential that this stock does go into a further downwards trend, where the next target would be $921. Then the final target would be this upwards trending support line at around $650. So I would always keep a bit of money on the side in case that does occur. But right now we are still looking bullish. We can't start looking further down when we are holding a very specific, important level. If you did enjoy this, if you do want some more content about TPL, please do hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. There will be a link to our merchandise over here if you want to support the channel. There will also be a link down here to that TPL special fundamental analysis. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.